We're riding the Prairie Trail at the Laguna Atascosa Wildlife Refuge, and this video is meant to showcase some of the wildlife you might spot along the way. The loop is just under 4 miles long, and when leaving the parking lot, the trail splits. I usually go right, which puts the sun at my back. Great for photography, and makes it less likely the wildlife will spot me since they don't like looking into the sun. I typically start about 30 minutes before sunrise. This clip begins in the last mile of the loop, where thick brush lines both sides of the road and rabbits are everywhere. I think they like the openness the road offers because they can see predators coming and graze on the grass growing along the road. The mouse points toward a deer that has noticed me coming down the road. The buck quickly turns and moves away, and I figure I won't see him again as I continue along my way. I hear the movement in the heavy brush, and out of the corner of my eye, I see the white tail of the buck sticking out of the brush. The brush was so thick, the deer had to jump over it to make his way through it. This is why I have a 360 camera mounted on my handlebars. The 360 camera can capture anything happening around me. We're now on the first part of the trail where I started this morning. These photos were taken within the first half mile from the trailhead. I move slowly and quietly, making sure not to disturb the wildlife